Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video I'm using French fries, different type के you need French fries, friends, fabric crafts ideas. I will share you viewers. This is a very amazing and stylish. Friends, let's start with a soft wool based spread, a layer of light color felt. This will be our background sky. Step 2. Now add some gray and purple shades to create the distant mountains. Use your fingers or a needle to gently blend the colors. Next we'll add trees. Mix brown, green and orange wool to make autumn colors. Space them usually carefully to create deep effect in scenes. Next let's build our little cottage. Use cream felt for the wall and soft brown for the roof. Add small details like window or a door using darker shades. Bring and river, radish and river. Time to bring the scene to life. Add a tiny bridge across the river and blend blue and white wall for following water. Use soft stroke to show the water movements. Flowers and details. Add little touch of pink, red and white wool to create creative flowers. Best these small details make your art feel magical. And that it's our cozy wool felt handscape. It's complete, full of color, claim and creative. Friends, and if you enjoy this craft, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more creative ideas. So friends, Allah Hafiz.